All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Lofinity, a new lo-fi plugin by JMG Sounds, United Plugins. Check it out at Plugin Boutique, $15 right now until November 30th. And Plugin Boutique also offers free plugins when you make a purchase there, so that every month they have different ones. So there's two to choose from this month. So check the links in the video description below. And also let me know what your favorite lo-fi kind of plugin is. There are many out there these days. And let's just check this thing out. So this is a really cool lo-fi plugin that has hundreds of effects also built into it rather than just your typical lo-fi kind of stuff. We're going to demo some sounds here on some instruments, even a full master bus and some vocals. And it's really cool for that lo-fi vintage vibe, the tape crackle and all that stuff. Let's just check out some sounds here. Here we have it on a guitar, play through some presets and mess around with some of the knobs. Then we'll go over some of the features. We have an A and B, so we could switch between two different sets of sounds that we create. We have an undo, redo. We have our presets, limiter, bypass, all that stuff up here. So we could also switch the presets down here. We have our hi-fi and lo-fi switch here, which is the hi-fi is pretty much almost like a bypass. We have a mix knob here as well, our in and output, and then we have all the crazy effects down here, which we could choose from. Each one of these can be turned on and off. We could rearrange the order of them down here, and then we can have all these different options of choices between for every effect. It's down here. We basically have two slots down here. We have our 50%, our mix knob for those effects, and all kinds of fun stuff like that. Let's test it out on these vocals.
Understand, I don't earn everything you see. Once you're in, ain't no running, boy, you on a team. Understand, I don't earn everything you see. Once you're in, ain't no running, boy, you on a team. Understand, I don't earn everything you see. Once you're in, ain't no running, boy, you on a team. Understand, I don't earn everything you see.
right, so there you go. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. Check out my other videos floating around the screen here. I have hundreds of other videos on my back catalog. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.